The performing arts, concerts, bars, and discos will be open 2 weeks after the opening of the schools and with SOPs directed by the Minister of Health.
While addressing the nation on 31st December 2021, President Yoweri Museveni lifted the 2-year lockdown and fully opened all the sectors of the economy, announcing that businesses will be allowed to operate 2 weeks after reopening of schools on 10th January. Some of the businesses allowed to operate include bars, nightclubs, and other establishments. And with less than 24 hours to full reopening, the Health Ministry has cautioned the public and urged them to follow the standard operating procedures and to get vaccinated.
It's going to be time for jubilation. It's been a hard time for everybody. So I say enjoy, but enjoy responsibly. And we have not gone away from the standard operating procedures. The 4 basic things remain. Do not be in social gatherings where you don't have to be. Keep your mask on and sanitize, hand hygiene. Don't touch the places which will be able to infect you, and continue to go and get the vaccination.
Dr. Daniel Chabayinze from the Ministry of Health says field teams will be carrying out assessments at the bus within the next few days. He also commended the school's surveillance teams for the work they have done to see that COVID-19 does not spread in schools.
The schools set up a system where all learners are registered, and they give us aggregate data for how many children reported to school, how many schools are reporting, what are the children. So far we see that in the learners we have 140,000 students on a daily in schools, and how many are being isolated if they have temperatures. But we've only gotten, for the last 2 weeks, we've only gotten 1 confirmed case of a learner who is sick, and the schools are able to be able to identify that in time.
Dr. Chabayinze says that COVID-19 mass vaccination resumes tomorrow after it was halted for 2 weeks because of the polio immunization campaign.
Starting tomorrow, we are going to revamp our vaccination for COVID. We are going to be covering all Karamoja regions, all the districts, the 9 districts there. We are going to go to Elgon region and Bukedia region. Those are about another 12 districts. We are going to go to Busoga region, which are 11 districts. We are going to come to Kampala and North Buganda. We have 8 districts there. Then we go to Southern Buganda, which has the Greater Masaka areas. We take away only the 4 which had covered. Those are 5 districts. So we are going to be in 44 districts, massively vaccinating everybody.
For the polio immunization campaign that was concluded a few days back, he has noted that the Ministry of Health managed to meet the target, with Acholi region standing number 1.
Our target was to vaccinate 8.7 million children. We have been able to surpass that target. The national average now stands at 107%. We've been able to reach even more places than we expected. So we've done so well.
For almost 2 years, the economy has not been reopened, and this will be a sign of relief for the many citizens who have been waiting for this moment to come. Shamim Natebwa for CTV PM Edition.